Milats New Year's experience. Good morning, teacher and classmates. Mi name is Aldo Morales Quipo, and my it number is 47087842. I am a student at Continental University, and I study environmental engineer. I also work on my family's farm every day with agricultural activities, and I studied in my free time. Sometimes I work far from my hometown, but I always try to visit my family. The most important people in my life are my mother and my father. I love spending time with them because they always support me. I also like helping them with their daily activities. I live in Vilcabamba District, La Convención Province in the Cusco region. My house is comfortable and peaceful. There are some bedrooms, a kitchen, a living room, and bathroom. There are some tables, chairs, beds, and other furniture in my house. Around my home there are many plants and crops such as passion fruits, chili peppers, rocoto peppers, and other fruits and vegetables. The place where I live is very beautiful. There are many green mountains and fresh air. There are also important archaeological places near me from such as Nuestra Hispana, Rosaspata, Inca Huaracana, Macoya, Incatambo, and Espiritu Pampa. I like visiting these places because they are interesting and full of history. How now I want to tell you about Milad's New Year's celebration. On New Year's Eve in 2026, I was with some friends from my neighborhood. They celebrated with music, drinks, and fireworks. I stayed with them for a short time because I arrived from work. I work far away, so I traveled to Vilcabamba to visit my parents. On January it's celebrated with my family at our house in Yupanqui, Vilcabamba. My father, my mother, my brother, my sister, my uncles, and my aunts were there. Me prepared lunch together and ate delicious food. There was rice, chicken, salad, potatoes, and some which we talked, lounged, and enjoyed our time together. After lunch, we went for a walk around our community. The weather was rainy because it usually rains and at that time of the year, but it was not a problem for us. We were happy because we were together as family. On a funny moment happened while me out was cooking. She accidentally burned her and we quickly helping her, and she put her and under cold water. We told her how should be careful. After a few minutes she felt much better. Later my cousin said, "Come here, let's take a family picture." We all smiled, took many photos, and at a great time. It was one of the best moments of the day. Before I was hungry and at fewer responsibilities now I am more responsible because I student at the university and I also work I am more independent and more every year I take my parents to their medical check-ups because I want them to stay healthy. There are four children in my family. I have three sisters and I am the only son. All of us are professionals. This is my second university career and I continue studying while working. My sister have their own jobs and I am happy because we always support her other. In my opinion, Cusco is one of the best places to celebrate New Year. It is more beautiful than many other cities because it is wonderful landscapes, delicious food, and amazing history. The best places to visit are Machu Picchu, Ollantaytambo, Pisa, and many other tourism attractions. If you visit Cusco for New Year, you should celebrate with your family, enjoy the local food, and visit the tourist places. Don't forget to bring a raincoat because it usually rains in January. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a nice day. Thank you.